Hello student, today we learn how to set project folder in 3ds Max. By default project folder path is my document 3ds Max, and if you want to change this, create a new one. So click on the file menu, project, and click on the create default. I create this project folder in desktop. Create a new folder and click on the select folder. 3ds Max automatically create this folder structure in the project folder. Now switch to 3ds Max. Now you can check project folder path is changed. Now you can import drawing file in 3ds Max. I create this file in AutoCAD. You can download this and import. But first copy this file in import folder. So I switch to project folder again and then click on the desktop. Copy this file and paste in import folder. Click on the top viewport and then go to file, import, and 3ds Max automatically search this file in import folder in the project folder. Select, open. If layout will display, and in this layout you have to set unit. I create this file in inches. You can check. I create this file in inches. So first you have to change the incoming unit. If you are working with mm, choose millimeter, and if you are working with feet in inches, so select inches and click on the rescale and then hit on the OK button. Floor plan import in the top viewport. First select all the lines and then group them and then place in the center by using up and down arrow key in the X or Y direction. Drawing move to center of the viewport. Now maximize this viewport and you can freeze this by right click and choose freeze selection. Now you are not able to select and move by mistake this drawing. First we create these 12 columns. You can check here, these are highlighted in the yellow color. I switch to 3ds Max again, but the problem is this: after freezing this object you can't snap any points. If you select a rectangle and enable snapping, I choose 2.5 snapping and vertex snapping here, but I'm not able to snap these points. So you can do one thing: right click on this button and then switch to option and enable snap to freeze object. Now you can snap these points from the freeze object. So it's easy way to create these columns. I start drawing. I create all the columns. Now right click to exit this tool and off the vertex snapping. Now right click and unfreeze all. Then select this and hide selection. Now select all the rectangles and convert to editable spline. Select one column and then choose attach tool and attach one by one all the 12 columns. You can also choose multi-attach tool, but I do with the attach tool. So all the rectangles is attached. Now right click and choose unhide all and freeze this again. Now select the rectangle and then apply extrude modifier on this. I switch to perspective view and amount of extrude is 9 feet. Column creation is complete. In the next class we draw walls. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video.